Hello everyone, this is Marco, and in this tutorial I'm gonna show you how to replace your stock head unit on a 99 Civic HX. Your Civic might be similar to this one. It doesn't have to be a HX, but this type of head unit might also be in other trims. I don't know, EX, LX, DX, I'm not sure. But if it looks similar to this, I'm pretty sure it's gonna be the same. First, we start by removing this screw right here. And I already did that to save some time. And then you're gonna pull out your glove box by moving this tab as you pull it out. And this one, just be careful not to break it. It's gonna come down. And then you remove another screw, which is going to be located right here. It's hiding right under here. Okay, and after you remove those screws, you carefully pop out this plastic part right here, and there is going to be another screw up there right here, and you remove it as well. And after carefully removing that screw, you will find another one right there. And looky here, there's a couple more screws hiding. And as you can probably tell by now, I'm not showing when I'm removing each screw, because I can almost already hear or see a comment saying, "Oh, you didn't show us how to do it." Come on, you know how to remove a screw. I'm just showing you where they are to save you some time. And isn't that what the tutorial is all about? Seeing how to do it a quick way. But anyway, off it comes. Gently pull it. Okay, let me use my other hand. Okay, you also want to make sure that when you pull this out, you first remove the power outlet. You just unplug it from the connector right here, and then when you remove this panel, you will go down here and you will see 1, 2, 3, and 4 more bolts to remove. So go ahead and take those off. After you remove those bolts, you will want to gently pull out the whole assembly right here. Why is it blurry? Oh my goodness, just focus. Okay, there you go. You want to remove this assembly gently. Okay. Let's see what we find. Alright, so as you pull it back, you can see there's a whole bunch of connectors. And I was deciding whether to disconnect those and work on the unit out here. But I think it will be best to remove these screws right here and this bolt. And then just pull the unit out. And you can do it a different way. You can disconnect these if you want, if that's easier for you. But instead of going through all that trouble, I think I'm just gonna do it this way. I'm gonna disconnect these on the side, and there's others here, so I don't know how I'm gonna get to those. Maybe I'll have to remove this. I'm gonna check it out for a little bit, and then let's see what happens. Okay, so I figured it will be easier to get to this if you remove all the connectors. Don't worry, because they are different colors and shapes, and they will only go to where they need to go. So as you can see here, I pulled the whole assembly out. The stereo, the head unit, the AC unit, and the vents, it all comes out easily. And all you have to do now is unscrew those two right there. This one and this one. And these two over here. This one and this one. So that these two parts can come out. And as we continue our screw removing journey, you will notice that there is 1, 2, and 3 screws in the back of your AC controls. And when you remove them, you will be able to pull the controls out very easily. Please be gentle, don't damage any of this. And off it comes. That will give you access to these screws on the side so that you can remove the head unit easily. Okay, so here I'm saving you the trouble of fast forwarding all the screw removing, but as you remove these on the side, then you can take off the metal plate, and here comes, you can pull it right out. The head unit, the stock head unit. I'm gonna get rid of this ugly thing, and now the next step is gonna be to install the custom head unit. Put it all back together. Okay, so I just brought this in here because I was tired of getting wet because it's raining outside. So you're gonna have to need one of these for this specific model. It's Scotch UI3050A, but it's got the models back here, so you can do that on your own. I don't have to hold your hand. You're gonna have to get one of these for the stereo, and it comes in a little box like this. I already opened it, don't have much time. So here you can see that it's from 1986 to 2011, Honda and other different applications. And I already went ahead and put this around here with the installation kit. I put my head unit, which I got for free from a coworker, and then I am putting these bolts to secure the head unit to make sure they don't steal it, or at least to make it harder on the thieves. And then we will go from there. We'll put these bolts, secure it, make sure it's nice and snug, and then make sure you have your little trim to make it look nice when the install is completed. This is from an Alpine, it doesn't even go on this, but they're usually the same size, so it'll fit and it'll look pretty nice. So next we're gonna do the wire connections. Okay, so you might also want to grab a little box of these. It doesn't have to be this kind. It depends on what kind of connectors you like. And all we're gonna do here is use the adapter, and we're gonna connect each corresponding color. You have different ones, but you just have to match the colors here, and it will not be easy. It will not be hard, it will be very easy. For example, you have your white, and then you have the white one with a little black stripe, and then you also have your orange, and then the orange with a white stripe, okay, green, and purple. That's the 4 wires that go to your speaker. And then you have your red, black, and you have the blue one, that's for the remote. But just match the colors and you shouldn't run into any trouble. It's really not that hard. Just match them and connect them. Okay, so now that all the cables are matched up by color, you're gonna have your adapter, your harness, or whatever you want to call it, and then this will go right onto here, and the rest is history, my friends. You just have to put it back in reverse order and you are good to go. You're gonna have your custom head unit and your 1999 Honda Civic. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe to this video. Thank you.